In this lecture, we are going to work on this view products. First, we are going to work on static structure and later on we are going to write logic for this. Open index.php here. Below this, we are checking if this view product is set, then what file we have to create? We have to create view products.php. I will copy this file name. Inside admin area folder, I will be creating this file. And here also we do not have to include doc type because it is already included in index.php. I will create div class. I will be passing container fluid and also margin top of 4. Inside this, I will write h2 margin bottom of 4. I will create one font awesome FAS FA box open. Then for this font awesome, I will also pass the style color. If you want, you can pass. If you do not want, you can simply skip the color. And here I will be passing this variable. And which color? I'm just going to pass secondary color. Then text, I will write all products. Now save this. Come to project. Refresh once. Now the file is created. That warning will be gone. And here I am having all products along with this font awesome. Below this h2, I will be creating one div class. I will write table scroll wrapper. Inside this another div class I will write table responsive. Then I will be passing table class I will write table hover, another class product table. Then I will be creating table head. Inside that I'm just going to create table row. In total I will be creating 7 table headings. First will be serial number. Next, I will pass product title. Next, image, price, total sold, status, and finally actions. Refresh once. In this way, our table will be created. Below this table head, I will be creating table body. Again, I'm just going to create a table row. Create one TD. Inside this, I will be creating one strong tag. As of now, I will only pass static data. Again below this, I will create another TD. Next, we have to pass product title. Again inside this TD, I will be creating strong tag. I will be passing product title. And here, let me write in capital. Next, we are having product image. I will be creating TD. Inside this, I'm just going to create image tag. And for this, I will give the class as product image. Okay, let us display static data. I will come inside product images folder, open product images. Inside that, I will simply pass birthday card 1.png. Here I will write birthday card 1.png. And inside this alt, whatever title we will pass, exact same thing we are going to pass. Next, we are having product price. Create one span tag. Price, I will pass 800. I will open index.php and from here I'm just going to copy this symbol. I will copy and inside this I'm just going to paste. Next we are having total sold. Below this I will create another TD, create one span tag, and for this I will give the class as batch as well as VG info. Inside this text, as of now I will only pass one sold. Then next we are having status, whether it is new or active. I will create TD. Inside this, I'm just going to create two span tags. As of now, I will display both the content. Later on, we are just going to change. Just bring this span tag down. Class, I will be passing batch. Another class, batch success. Then inside the span, I will be creating one font awesome. Class, I will write FAS, FA check circle. Inside the span itself, I will be passing text as active. Now what I will do, I will copy this complete span and here I will be pasting text. I will write new. Here change this. I will write FAS, FA clock. And in place of success, I will only pass warning. Then last, we are having actions. So below this TD, I will be creating another TD. What all actions we can have? Admin can edit the product as well as admin can delete the product. So we are going to create two buttons, one for editing and one for deleting. So inside this TD, I will create another div container. Class, I will be passing btn group. Then inside this, I will create one anchor tag. Class, I will write btn info, and then btn small. Inside this href, I will pass index.php. When admin clicks on edit product, what should be in the URL? We should have this edit product. So after question mark, I will pass edit product. As of now, static data, I will be passing 1. So in my URL, edit product is equal to 1. So whichever ID is getting matched with this one, admin can edit only that product. Then inside this, I will also pass the title. Title is equal to edit product. And then inside this anchor tag, create one font awesome, FA solid, FA pen to square. Save this. Come to project, refresh once, you can see static data is displayed, and in place of status, as of now, we have displayed both the buttons. Later on, we will display only one button. Now inside actions, only this edit button is displayed. Now same anchor tag I will copy. Below this, I'm just going to paste. Next, it will be for delete product. Remove this. I will write delete product. Okay, let me simply pass 2. Then class will be btn danger. Then title will be delete product. And inside this font awesome, I will be passing trash. And inside this opening anchor tag, I will also pass this on click event handler is equal to, just write here double quotes, return. Before deleting, admin has to confirm, return, confirm. Are you sure you want to delete this product? Save this. Refresh once. Now you can see I'm having edit button and I'm having delete button. If I click on this, I will have this confirmation. Are you sure you want to delete the product? If admin clicks on OK, only then product will be deleted. If admin clicks on cancel, no product will be deleted. So in this way, we are just going to display static data. Now later on, maybe in our website, we are not having any products. So for that also, we have to show some message. This is one complete TR where we have displayed static data. Below this, I will be creating another TR and I'm just going to comment this. Only if we are not having products, we have to show this TR. But it is important we write this TR as well. I will create TD. In total, I am having 7 columns. So what I will do, just create this TD. Inside this, I'm just going to create this call span. And here I will be passing 7. So this TD will be taking complete 7 column space. Then I will also pass the class. Class I will write text center. Inside this, create one div. Class I will write empty state. Then create font awesome. FAS, FA box open. Then here I will be writing H4, no products found. Below this, create one paragraph. Here I will write start by adding your first product. Then I will be creating one anchor tag. I will write index.php where admin has to redirect. Admin should insert the product. So here after question mark, I will write insert product. I will also pass the class. Class I will be passing btn and btn primary. Inside this anchor tag, create font awesome, FAS, FA plus circle. And text, I will be passing add product. Save this. Come to project, refresh once. Now in this way, if we are not having any products inside the website, instead of showing this table, we are going to show this content to admin. But as of now, we do not need, so I'm just going to comment. Okay, later on, based on the condition, we are just going to display that data. Now below this div containers, here I will create another div class. I will be passing row and margin top of 4. Inside this, I will create another div column medium of 12. Okay, here we are going to display some extra information to admin. So in this way, we are going to create one container. I will create another div class. I will be passing card box. Then create one div container class display flex. Justify content between align items to be centered. And then inside this div, I will create one h6 text. I will pass total products. Below this, I will be creating h3 static data. I'm just going to pass 5. Now come here, refresh once. You can see in this way, we are going to pass total products and static data will be 5. Then below this div container, I'm just going to create another div. Create anchor tag class btn primary. Then index.php. Here I will pass insert product. Just scroll up. From here, I will copy this complete content and inside this anchor tag, I'm just going to paste. Now come here, refresh once. In one complete div container, I will be having both the content. Total products will be 5 and if admin clicks on this, admin will be redirected to this page. Successfully, we have created static structure for view products.